Alright Chris, I got a special one for you. This time, make a holiday meal. You must use at least 3 coupons and you only have $30 to spend. Make us proud. Happy holidays. See you, Kaden.
All right, so Lucas and Marcus have challenged me today to do a holiday meal with only $30 and I have to use at least 3 coupons. This is gonna be interesting, but I'm pretty sure I can make it happen. And it's gonna be even more interesting because today, I'm not gonna be doing it alone. I got my guy Kane here. Kane doesn't even think it's possible. Hey, y'all know how we do. I'ma definitely make it happen, but he's gonna pick up the challenges. Let's get it back. All right, bro. Told you this is gonna be easy. $30 is our thing, but we got a coupon, so it makes it possible. Feel me?
Man, I think you might actually pull this off.
Well, let's see how you do with the challenges. So I'll do it like this. Honestly, we could do this 2 different ways. This is how cold-blooded this is. So what I'm gonna end up doing, bro, holiday, we're talking about 4th of July, right? We have ground beef on sale and we have ground turkey. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a barbecue smoked meatloaf. Let's see if I can get it close. So yeah, right here we got $3.49. And then right here on our daily digital deals, so which means I'm gonna probably have to download the app. That's $4 a pound for the ground beef. So let me go to where the meat's at. Right here, homie. Ooh, $2. We're even cheaper, buddy. Wait, does it smell good? You gotta be careful. Let's stay turkey. If we stay turkey, the budget's gonna be low, you feel me? So let me get 2 of these. All right, now we gotta get some eggs. But check it. First of all, let's do the math. So my eggs are gonna be, so if I spent 2, 4, 6, 8, so I spent $8 on that joint right there. And then we need to do, I need it, honestly, bro, just, it's like eggs and crackers, homie. Y'all lost. So you might as well pull out the challenges. So he thinks he's slick. Oh.
Okay, the search continues. The search continues. You know, if I could do it, I could do it. Like,
You gotta move.
let's go. All right, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
Yeah, you might as well pull out the challenges, bro. Yeah, bro, my challenge is done. This is done. Look at that, $2.79. Like, bro, who is sleeping on Fred Meyers? I have my eggs, I have my turkey. I'm not gonna get the ketchup and mustard, Cuddy. I mean, we got that at the crib. So it's really just eggs, turkey, and crackers. Let me get some crackers. Eggs, turkey, crackers. And I use my coupons, right? I used at least 3 coupons because I'm gonna use at least 2 of those for this. And then this was on sale as well. And then this one right here, these are on sale for $2.49. Hot honey crackers. I guess we're having hot honey. Nah, man, the hot honey stuff has been like hit or miss. Let's do the entertainment pack. Boom, so we're up. Yeah, bro, I'm up. I won the challenge. All right, there's one last thing. So I think I'm gonna go with like this cheddar jack, bro. That's probably gonna be fire.
Cheddar jack
and
Colby Jack. There we go.
So yeah, we're gonna mix these 2 together. All right, I'm gonna grab this pork sausage right here, bro. Y'all, yeah, we're cracking. So let's do that. I did it for 25 bucks, bro. That's what I'm saying. 25, 24, I'm ipping it. Hey, but I'm not gonna lie, bro. I wanna see somebody give me like some crazy challenge. So I'm gonna reach out to some crazy people to try to see if we can get some nutso challenges. Cause it was a hard though. A holiday meal for under $30, like this was kind of hard, bro. I ain't gonna cap. Kane has to either eat a hot pepper, he's gotta find somebody to do a TikTok dance with, find a subscriber. What was the last one? Oh, rap battle somebody.
They can't see me no way. Yo, what's up, bro? I'm Kane. This is gonna seem really out of the blue, really random. My boy, he has this YouTube channel, and I'm in a challenge right now. Well, while he's doing this cooking challenge, I have to find a subscriber in the store. Could you help me out?
You said YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So check this out. You know, we'll be.
Oh, he thinks he's slick. Okay.
This is Chris. This is Chris. I appreciate you. High five, high five.
Yeah.
Do you rap at all?
I do not.
Do you think you could rap?
I could not. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, dog.
No worries. I just gotta find somebody who wants these bars, bro. I find somebody to do this TikTok challenge with me. Wish me luck. So right now, I'm in this challenge, and my challenge is.
No, I'm running away. I don't want to know.
It's just simple and easy. It's just like this right here. Like, look, all we gotta do is like, no. Would you rap battle me?
No.
Okay, the search continues. The search continues. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Sorry to interrupt. Would you help me out with something? Right now, I'm in a challenge. My name's Kane. You guys look like 2 dudes that will help somebody out. I gotta get somebody to do a TikTok dance with me. It'd be real quick, like 30 seconds. Real quick. You think you can help me out? It's simple. Your feet, 2 feet right here. We're just gonna go like this. No, if I could do it, I could do it. Like,
You got moves.
yeah, I got really look. That's all we gonna do. Stay blessed. The search continues. Can you help me out with something? I'm Kane in this challenge right now for this YouTube channel, Kris.England.Cooks. We just gotta do this dance 30 seconds right here in front of the aisle. It's easy. It's just like, Would you help me out, DJ? You got me? Third time's a charm? Ah, come on. All right, I appreciate you. All right, surge continues, surge continues. I don't like losing, I'll tell you that. I don't lose. I win or I learn. Actually, that's facts. So I'm not gonna lose. Come on.
Okay, so check it out. This is how we're gonna do it. You got the 2 subscribers. I see the effort you're putting in. I see how you're moving. We're gonna go find the peppers, and then we're gonna go to a different store.
Let's go. All right, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
Should we go pop habanero? Can you do a habanero? Or is that too much? It's gonna burn you down. I think we should go habanero. All right, bro. I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna be like a little bit. This is not a Fruity Loops fruit. Habanero, so y'all know this ain't no sucker. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, snap.
Kane did most of his challenges, but he didn't do them all. One of them was he had to bust down this habanero pepper. Look at that joint. This thing got boogers on it and all types of stuff. So he gonna start. He gonna take this pepper and we gonna see what's cracking. Oh my gosh, shut up, bro. You're burning up. You can't tell because it's hot. Can you swallow it or is it gonna kill you? I told you. He's sparring. Who you fighting, bro? Spit it out.
That's even worse.
Okay, I have a serious question for you. Rosa Parks, Oprah, Halle Berry. Do you have to date one, kill one, marry one?
Kill Oprah.
Kill Oprah?
Marry Halle Berry.
He's gonna date Rosa Parks. He couldn't make the rap battle happen, and he couldn't make the TikTok dance happen. For his second try, right here at the Vancouver waterfront, I'm gonna let him get it cracking. Find 2 people to do those 2 things, and you're in, and there's no way out.
I either gotta get somebody to do this TikTok dance with me, or I got a rap battle.
What TikTok dance is it?
He just did it.
This one?
Just mop.
I guess.
Oh, she got. Oh,
Come on, come on. So pretend you gotta mop your hand,
Okay.
and you go like you getting jiggy. You know what I'm saying? Like you, yeah,
That's it?
Sunday cleaning. Like you just, we Sunday cleaning.
I'm not gonna make this. I can't do it. Wait.
Come on, we gotta get coordinated. Come on, we gotta get coordinated. We gotta get coordinated. 1, 2, right, go. That's all we need for the clip. That's all we need for the clip. I appreciate you. I appreciate you.
We got it.
I still need a rap battle.
She was gonna battle you. I think you're good. I'm gonna call it.
I'm good. I'm Gucci. We Gucci.
All right, man. So we're back from the grocery store. I chose not to do ground beef. We ended up doing the turkey. Feel me? So I'm gonna get this turkey in here like so. Hey, it's funny because we ended up getting this thing really down from 30. They didn't even think it was possible. And Kane is in here struggling. Oh.
I'm about to drink the whole jug.
All right, now I'm dropping this in here. I ended up getting these pork sausage. Drop my pork sausage in with the turkey. Anyway, so I got egg here. I'm gonna drop my egg in. I'm gonna do my onion right there. I'm gonna do this crackers. And the funny part is, man, like I said, it's for 4th of July. So we could do something as simple as just smoke this. And when we smoke it, bro, you take this in there. The funny part about this whole situation is the way that we're gonna do it. So I'm actually gonna do like a bark on the outside, but yeah, I put my crackers all in here and that just helps it bind a little bit better. I'm actually gonna put some barbecue sauce in there, just a little bit. And then I do my olive oil, tad bit. Now I'm just gonna mix all this. I'm gonna mix it all together. I'm gonna put some seasoning in here. Yes, bro, use seasoning. Yeah, man. Then I'm gonna tip it over into here, similar to this. I'm just gonna flatten him out, all right? Don't even do all that, put it right here. So we're gonna take this, I'm gonna put this right here, and I forgot to coat it with foil. And the reason we're gonna do this with foil is kind of like sushi, man. And it doesn't look amazing, it kind of looks like an MRE or something. I already know, bro, I already know. But trust me, it's gonna crack. I'm switching my gloves, I'm running them back. Anyway, I'm gonna drop my cheese on in, cross this way. Honestly, bro, I think I got too much cheese. I'm gonna do a little bit more seasoning. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna roll this joint just how you would do some sushi. Same kind of thing. So now we got this. I'm gonna put this in the center a little bit more, and I'm gonna get me a good bark over the top of it. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook this in the oven at first, and then it's going to my smoker. Tighten it up a little bit. Ooh. Now I'm gonna take this joint, and we're in the oven, 350 degrees. See you guys in a second. more the merrier, I guess. Dang, man. All right, bro, I told him to get jiggy. He had to eat the pepper today. He had to do all this work to get it where we're at today. So bro definitely gets first bite. All right, man. Cracking? Cracking. All right, y'all. Make sure you guys tune in. We got a lot coming this year on Kris.England.Cooks. Don't be a buster. Make sure you subscribe. Me and him are definitely gonna go head to head again, so you wanna tune into that. Oh yeah, and if you guys wanna see him do the one chip challenge, get in the comments. Say something about it, y'all.
Hit that notification bell.